inside Meta Home of Comedy. Keep just a watch all our subscribe to our YouTube channel, Meta Home of Comedy. Yeah, but Bob tell you say now Meta case we do for Meta Home of Comedy.
He's hilarious. He's the most fearless.
Speak the truth. I fear nobody. After all, he likes to
Lagos, brace yourself for the craziest stand-up comedy show of the year. Acapella, My Mike and I. 2, Truth and Dare. 1 man, 1 mic, 1 stage. Supporting comics, K. Bakassi, Gordon, Sheilo, D-Don, Aboki for Christ, Omini, Destalker, Benji the Joke, and lots more. Music by top-notch Nigerian artists. All the Wolves of Steel is DJ Mafi and DJ Kisley. Date is Sunday, October 28, 2018. Venue, Go Hotels and Suites, Victoria Island, Lagos. Time 6 p.m. Regular 5,000 naira. VIP 25,000 naira. Gold table for 10, 1 million naira. Platinum table for 10, 2 million naira. Tickets are available at all Film House Cinema, all Genesis Deluxe Cinema, all Air Battle Supermarket, Eco Hotel. Online tickets, visit AriaTickets.com, NigerTicketShop.com. Table inquiries, call 0802-247-6330. Acapella by Mike and I. Packaged by Dope Boy Media, Larry Maku, and Spy Global Entertainment.
In Nigeria, there are only 2 political parties, PDP and APC. The rest now get together. During the election, they tell us we know they paste poster. When election reach, now them come the paste poster. It was so funny when you drive out for money, PDP go paste. Afternoon, APC go cover them. Evening, AY Life. For night, Church Crusade. They don't paste poster full everywhere. One madman they walk up past one day, 9 madman tear poster, jaga. All the information come mix. When you drive data, you can't see funny information. PDP vote APC in AY Life. Get free miracle. Ladies and gentlemen, I tell you the truth. If to make heaven now by mass, I don't enter there since. I will tell you how. I do not in any way stand near men of God. Never. Bible said the day when Jesus Christ will come, 2 people go stand, 1 go. If I stand with your pastor, who they go? So I don't make up my mind the day when Jesus will come. I go stand with either police or NEPA. That one sure for me. Police nothing go make a day here. Go do it. Ojoro they heaven. It's not possible. Now, we are police comedians. We get rapport. I don't know how I avoid police for here. Me for Nigeria, when I hear police, I get the address of everywhere for my car. Once police stop me, before they ask me question, I carry address, go meet them. Bah! As I just calm down, officer, I bet no verse, I go lighthouse. Now you go to direct you, go like this. When you reach, follow left. One baba carry me for Kada the last time. Heavy traffic. As we go now, one officer shout, stop! From the bike now, holla, esprit de corps. The officer says, shot, carrier. Baba shot. He said just like that. I say yes, so Baba. If police won't stop you, just shout, esprit de corps. They go say, me you they go. Baba say, now they waste money since. The next morning, Baba carry Okada. As they go, officer shout, stop! Baba they shout, now spirits they come, now spirits they come. If you see beating, they say spirit what they see. Now, I don't know whether for this London, when I get that kind of friend, what we get for Nigeria. You must get one friend, no matter how much you buy something, he go say they cheat you. You get that, yeah? One of my friends, anything you buy, he go say they cheat you. I go buy this watch. He say Acapella, how much you buy him? I say 4K. He say He they show you heaven that 4K. Something where they sell 280. I say which kind of battery you want buy? I buy one shoe. He say how much? I say 48K. He say for waiting. He dey kiss Satan. This shoe everywhere na 95 now. We are shocked for the guy na the day where I buy the charge card. MTN 400. Now ask me how much I buy him. I say 400. He say, Nana no say be mugu. I say, my brother, how much they want to sell the charge card? One day now I go buy laptop. The laptop, true for Naira, I buy am 75,000. I know say if I reach house, he go say they cheat me. Now I clean the last zero. I say check the receipt. Now I say, hey, but now you come now. Don't they waste money since 7.5. Now that's what they sell everywhere. He said where you buy them? I said Computer Village. Now I carry the receipt, look the address. The next morning, now I enter there. Spread. Hey, who there? The guy say na me. Una get laptop today. The guy say yes. He say bring her. The guy shocked. Immediately they bring the laptop. Now he tear the carton. As he tear the carton, he say make the test am. He not get laptop, but he get internet. Now he come on internet, put am. They browse, check everything. He correct. He say make the guy package am. As he get one package am, now he ask am, you get spare charger? The guy say yes. He say how much? The guy say 25,000. He gonna think how charger go cost much more. Now I say no worry, I go use the charger away from the go. As he do, now he count 7.5. Give the guy. He say now well done. As he go, the guy say brother wait here. It's all shop waiting happen. Everybody for this world knows a laptop na 7.5. One of my guys even buy it last week. This matter what they talk, they don't beat my guy, don't lie down for ground. Now he call me for food. Acapella. I mean, how much you say you buy that laptop? I said, you know, I will not tell you price. Now 75,000. You know, say thunder will fire you. You know, because I tell you now naked. Now me drive, go there, go help and pay the remaining balance. The next week, now I go buy free. You be this now, kill the song. Who's doing that? Who be this herbalist now? You don't kill that joke for me now. I know say the thing not too plenty before. You know say one man of God go do crusade for Nigeria. For the crusade billboard. Now the man of God pull one guy. Here. The guy na cripple. Here, man of God lay hand on him. Here, the guy throw away clutches. Here, the guy waka. The guy they do that crusade steady. He do one for Lagos. The billboard, nobody go. People just dey pass say, this man of God powerful. This guy na cripple. He can't lay hand on him. The guy throw away clutches. Now he waka. Man of God do that crusade for Lagos. Go Benin, go Port Harcourt. Now I say the Spirit is saying we should move this ministry international. Now I carry the crusade, come London, you do the same thing. Here, the guy na cripple. Here, you lay hand on him. Here, the guy throw away clutches. Here, the guy waka. Now the same Spirit tell him, say, my son, go to Dubai. Now the guy go to Dubai. Forgetting that English, we read from here. But Dubai, they read from here. So for Nigeria, now crusade they fool, nobody they go billboard. But for Dubai, now billboard they fool, nobody they go crusade. People go down the pass. Which kind of church be this? This guy they walk out before. As they go the crusade, now he buy clutches. Man of God lay hand on him. He turned to cripple, God forbid.
My name is Krebelo, aka K Melo. Keep watching Mental Home of Comedy.